Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you some Excel tricks. So guys, lot of times we come up with requirements like you have some piece of text that could be in a column of an Excel file, but you want to add quotes. Okay, you want to enclose them in quotes. Sometimes you want to add a comma at the end. So this is what I'm going to show it you, and believe me guys, this is very easy. So if you have not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now. Alright guys, so you see three columns here, A, B, C. In A I have a column heading as text, B quotes, C comma, and I have some text here. Okay, now what I want that these values should come here in but in quotes. Okay, so I need to write a formula. Okay, so for quotes we use the formula char 34. Okay, then you need to combine it with the ampersand, then go click here A2. So this is the cell. Again you are combining it with, you want to end it in quotes as well. 4. Okay, enter. Okay, you see how it became. Now if I drag it down, it came. So that's how simple it is guys. Now what if I want to add a comma? That is also easy. Okay, let's say I want to add a comma after these quotes. You can add here also, but I'll just show after these quotes. So here, okay, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do ampersand, you see it. Now I'm gonna drag it down again. So this is really simple. Now instead of B2, if I would have taken A2, then it would have been hello comma my comma name comma. That's how simple it is guys, and it's really easy to implement. Thanks for watching.